Hello, my name is David. So for this problem, we're given the equation 6 times log base 3, 0.5x is equal to 11. And they're asking us to solve for x. So in order to solve for x, we need to isolate it by removing everything else that isn't x and pushing it to the other side of the equation. So let's start with this 6, right? This 6 is multiplying this logarithm. So in order to remove this 6 and move it to the other side, we want to divide both sides by 6. Since this is multiplying by 6, we want to divide both sides by 6. So then what we're going to be left with is log base 3, 0.5x is equal to 11 divided by 6. And now, in order to remove this logarithm, let's refer back to this property of logarithms. So by looking at this, we can just rearrange this a bit, right? So the base here is 3, right? So this will have here a 3. And then this 3 will be taken to the power of what was on the other side of the logarithm, which in this case is 11 over 6. And that is going to be set equal to whatever is inside of the logarithm, right here, which is 0.5x. And now the final step is that we have to remove this 0.5, right? Since the 0.5 is multiplying the x, we can divide both sides by 0.5 to isolate the x. So that is going to leave us with 3 to the power of 11 over 6, all of that divided by 0.5. That is going to equal x. And so now we can take this and insert it into our calculator to solve for what x is, right? We can do 3 to the power of 11 divided by 6, and all of that is being divided by 0.5. And the answer we should get should be x is equal to 14.988. And this is rounding. This is an estimate. We're rounding it to 3 decimal places here. And that is how we solve this problem.